Hello friends, welcome back. Another episode of the Single Guy's Guide to Great Cooking. Another amazing appetizer, Shrimp De Jonghe. This is a dish my mother used to make for all special occasions, Christmas, Easter, birthdays, you name it. Very simple. Take your baking dish, a little Pam on there, layer the bottom with shrimp. I'm using 20 to 16 to the pound shrimp, that size. Layer it all on the bottom. Then you're going to set that to the side. Get your mixing bowl. You're going to use 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, either microplane, minced, or paste like I use. 2 cups of melted butter. And give this a real good mix. While this is mixing, please remember to subscribe, like, and share my channel with all your friends and family, and also hit that bell so you keep up to date with the newest recipes. Thank you. Alright, we give that a good mix. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup parsley. Mix that in as well. Now 3/4 cup of sherry. Another good mix. And then we're going to add 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And this is going to make a nice, a loose paste. Let's say that, okay? So mix that well. Now I took it and I put it into a measuring cup just to make it easier to work with over here instead of that big bowl. But we're going to layer this mixture over the shrimp. Let's get it all in there and take your little spatula to spread it out evenly across the top of the shrimp. Then you're going to top it off with the little, this is optional by the way, I like to do it with a little Parmesan Reggiano. Some people do that, some people don't. Some people just add a little more dry parsley on top. But this is how I do it. And it's going to go in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350. You can, at the end, throw it under the broiler for a minute or two to really crisp it up. If you like, it's up to you. But once it's done, scoop it out on your serving plates, and you have an amazing appetizer, Shrimp De Jonghe. Thank you and enjoy.